This demo showcases Amdocs Interactive's complete portfolio stack for mobile operators. I'm going to demonstrate our portal, our storefront, our off-portal profiling and navigation tool, our search and recommendations engine, and our targeted advertising capabilities. Amdocs Interactive's key differentiator is that we personalize the entire mobile internet browsing and shopping experience. Our personalization technology is based on artificial intelligence. It learns everything that a user does on and off portal to build a user profile that's used to display content, search results, ads, recommendations, etc. that are most relevant to each user. In other words, what I see is different than what you or anyone else sees. It's true personalization. What that means to you is that you're creating a great user experience by helping your customers find what they're interested in faster. And you're increasing your revenue potential by encouraging them to browse and consume more on the mobile internet. These screenshots show how we can personalize your portal for each user. The one on the right is personalized to a female that likes to shop and keep up with the latest Hollywood gossip. The one on the left is personalized to a male who likes to stay on top of the latest sports scores and news. One thing to note is that you can brand the portal and structure the menus however you want. We personalize all of the content within the menu structure. Smartphones are the rave, and they're contributing to the explosion in mobile internet usage. However, in some markets, especially where next-generation networks are just being rolled out, they have lower penetration rates. So, your portal needs to support a wide variety of devices. You need to recognize each user's device capabilities and deliver content that's optimized for that device. For example, a smartphone, like the screenshot on the left, can handle rich media, but a more basic feature phone, like the screenshot on the right, can't. We ensure that content is optimized to each user's device. Now let's demonstrate a personalized portal. But first, here's an example of how you can insert promotions based on rules our system allows you to create to entice users to upgrade to services that increase your revenue potential. In this case, you see a promotion for an entertainment subscription. Let's say that I'm not interested and want to continue to the home page. We enable two types of personalization, explicit and implicit. Explicit personalization allows users to configure settings manually. Implicit is based on artificial intelligence and automatically adapts the content displayed based on a user's profile. So, to demonstrate explicit personalization, let's say that I want to change my news feeds. I click on My News, and I select from a list of news sources, and click Save, and go back to the home page. And now I start receiving news from the source I just selected. But the real value comes from implicit personalization. To demonstrate that, I want to show how our system learns what users do to dynamically adapt what's displayed on the portal. Let's say that I want to go shopping. It's not listed under my categories, so I click More. I select Shopping from the category list. Notice that there are subcategories under Shopping to off-portal sites that allow you to capitalize on sponsored links. I click Shopping. I browse and maybe purchase something from one of these commerce sites. This could be your storefront too, which we'll demonstrate later. Then I click Homepage. Notice that Shopping moved to the third category in the list, and that eBay is displayed under My Services. To show you how the system continues to adapt to what I do, I'll click on Shopping again. I go shopping again and then go back to the home page. Notice that shopping is the #1 category now, and that 2 shopping sites are listed under My Services, and that the ads even changed. First, we demonstrated how you could manually promote services to customers based on creating business rules. Now let's show how you can automatically insert promotions based on our artificial intelligence. Let's say that I want to check the sports scores for my favorite teams. I click on Sports, and the system automatically inserts a promotion that you created based on my profile. In this case, it's for a mobile TV subscription for the upcoming Olympics. Let's say I pass, go on to check the scores, and then go back to the home page. Notice that sports moved up in the category list next to shopping. Now, let's look at automated recommendations and how they drive content sales. Like content and links displayed on the portal, recommendations are targeted at users based on our personalization engine. The system only displays recommendations that I'm most likely to be interested in, based on my profile. Recommendations have many applications. They could be to links to free content on your portal, premium content in your storefront, or off-portal sites, to name a few. Let's say that I click on the recommendation for the track Hotel California. This brings me to the product page on the storefront for the song track. It displays information about the product, user ratings, the price, and more importantly, our system enables you to merchandise products like major e-tailers such as Amazon. It enables you to create bundles and crossovers, and much more, which I'll demonstrate in a bit. In this case, it offers a bundle for the full track and ringtone version of the song at a discounted price. I like the offer, so let's say I click on Buy for the bundle. This brings me to a confirmation page that shows what I selected and at what price. If I want to continue with the purchase, it also lists which payment method I want to use. Our system supports any payment method, whether prepaid, postpaid, credit card, e-wallet, etc. What's important for you to understand is that studies show that consumers prefer charging to their mobile bills or prepaid cards versus using other payment methods. This creates a big opportunity to capitalize on direct billing for off-portal merchants and app stores. So let's say I select my mobile account and click Finish. After the system checks that I have enough credit or permission to download the items, I can click Download. It's important to point out that our system checks the customers have sufficient funds before it allows them to download content. Once it gets a confirmation receipt that the content was downloaded properly, then the system charges the user. This is especially important for prepaid subscribers. Many predominantly prepaid operators told us that they were losing out on revenues because they delivered content without assuring that users had sufficient funds. Now let's go to my content locker to view all the content that I've downloaded. Here's a simple example of a content locker. You can see the 2 items that I just downloaded. There's also a game that's no longer active. I'll click on that. It opens a page that gives me information about the game and several offers to entice me to renew my subscription. Now let's go back to the storefront to show some other important merchandising features. Like the portal, you can structure the menus and the look and feel however you want. Our retailing solution offers tools that help you merchandise like successful internet retailers, such as Amazon. It allows you to promote products that you want to push, like Shrek content under Hottest of the Week, following the release of the latest movie. You can allow customers to search for content by categories. Notice you can list subcategories as well. And, as we demonstrated before, you can enable them to discover content via automated recommendations. Let's say that I want to purchase a new game, so I click on Games in the category list. This takes me to the Games section of the storefront. The system allows you to create lists and teasers for games that you want to promote. It can automatically list the most popular downloads. It can allow users to search by genre as well as discover content by automated recommendations. Let's say I click on Action under Genre. It opens a page that lists all action games. Again, you can automatically list the top sellers and promote specific products. Again, the system gives you tools to promote games manually or automatically, by release date or popularity. And it enables user ratings. Let's say I click on Grand Theft Auto. This brings me to the product page like we saw before that displays a description, the price, special offers, user ratings, etc. Now that I've demonstrated our storefront and merchandising features, I want to demonstrate our personalized search and off-portal profiling and navigation features. Let's say that I want to search for the song Hotel California again by the Eagles. So I type Eagles into the search bar in the toolbar on the top of the screen. This opens a page that lists all potential search results for the Eagles. Our search engine is integrated with our personalization engine to provide individualized results. Our search engine queries any information source you define. That could be other search engines, your content management system, premium content catalog, a Yellow Pages directory, etc. It aggregates all the relevant results into a combined list that's personalized to each user. It lists Did You Mean results, like in other popular search engines, such as Did you mean Eagles the bird or the American football team? It lists on-portal results, which can attract customers to use your portal or purchase items on your storefront. It lists off-portal sites that allows you to capitalize on sponsored searches. It allows users to search by narrowing the results. Our search engine is integrated with our personalization engine to provide the most relevant results to each user. You and I could enter the same search string, but we would see different results based on our profile. This is a white-labeled search engine that can be branded by you, and it sits in the forefront, even if you partner with other search engines like Google or Yahoo. The search engine is integrated with the portal, the storefront, and toolbar that I'm about to demonstrate for you. Let's say that I click on Amazon to see if they have any promotions for the song I want to purchase. Now I want to show our off-portal profiling and navigation features. Just like our system learns what customers do on-portal, it learns what they do off-portal. This is a huge value proposition because it allows you to capitalize on the off-portal trend. Our position is that operators should position their portals as the homepage to the mobile internet. You should make your portal as compelling as possible and give users quick and easy access to content they're most likely to be interested in. But your customers will go to their favorite sites and browse the open web. So how can you capitalize on that trend while enticing them to come back to the portal homepage? Our system makes it easier for users to navigate the open web and discover content, which allows you to create a better mobile internet experience. I showed how our portal, storefront, and search engine allow you to list or recommend off-portal sites, which quickens content discovery and enables you to capitalize on sponsored links. We also offer a toolbar that you've seen at the top of the screen that offers the same functionality. What's important is that it recommends on-portal content as well to entice the users to return. The toolbar is always displayed whether users are on or off-portal. In fact, the system can launch it even if users go directly off-portal when they open their browsers. The toolbar is integrated with our personalized search engine, which allows users to enter a URL or search string. It can list a history of sites that I've visited, both on and off-portal. It can automatically recommend on and off-portal links. It can provide a link back to the homepage and allow users to bookmark sites. You can brand the toolbar however you want, and even allow users to customize their toolbar to add buttons to favorite sites, etc. To show you how our system learns what I'm doing, let's say I enter iGoogle in the search box to check my Gmail account. It opens iGoogle and I check my Gmail. Notice that Google only allows explicit personalization. In other words, I have to customize my iGoogle page manually. Our system automatically displays content users are most likely to be interested in based on their profiles. Let's go on. Let's say I click on a link to a CNN news article that interests me. It opens to the article on CNN.com. After reading it, let's say I want to check my Facebook account. So I enter Facebook in the search box. I log into my account, read my wall, and maybe make a post. Now, let's go back to the portal to show how the system tracks what I'm doing. I click on the portal homepage link. It opens the portal homepage, and I click on a tab that goes to a page that displays all my off-portal activity. You can see it displays a history of the off-portal sites I visited, which makes it easy for me to navigate back to them. It also automatically recommends similar sites. Yahoo News is similar to CNN, and Books.com to Amazon. It could also display popular off-portal sites, or sites that you want to promote. This all gives you an opportunity to improve the experience while capitalizing on sponsored links. Now I want to demonstrate some of the features of the toolbar. So let's say that I click on Yahoo News, since I'm a news junkie. It opens to the Yahoo News page, and after reading some news, I want to see a list of sites I visited. Here it displays the sites I visited, as you just saw on the portal. I can go to sites that I've bookmarked. I can view automated recommendations. Again, these could be on or off-portal links, which allow you to capitalize on sponsored links while enticing users to return to your portal. Lastly, I want to demonstrate our targeted advertising capability, so I'll go back to the portal homepage. Our targeted advertising technology leverages our personalization engine to deliver targeted ads for each user based on their profile. In other words, the ads I see on the portal are different than what you see. What's important to understand about our technology is that it's based on behavioral versus demographic targeting. What does that mean? Traditionally, marketers targeted by demographic information, like age, gender, etc. They spent a lot of money targeting a segment of users that generated limited response rates. That's a waste of advertising dollars. Our system allows you to target users most likely to click on an ad at any given moment, across all segments. This gives advertisers the biggest return on their investment and increases the value of ad space on your portal. In fact, we did a study recently that showed that behavioral targeting was 5 times more effective than demographic targeting. Furthermore, our system only displays ads that users are most likely interested in currently. For example, I might like to ski, but the system won't display an ad for ski wear in the summer. Lastly, our system automatically displays ads that generate the highest profits for you. For example, let's say I like cola, and Pepsi pays more for ad space than Coca-Cola. The system will display the Pepsi ad. Our system allows you to insert multiple ads on the portal. Here you see an example of 2. Let's say I click on the banner ad. I go to the Adidas landing page where there might be a call to action. I get paid for the click-through and potentially a share of a product sale. Now let's go back to the home page by clicking on the link in the toolbar. Now you see that the banner ad changed. Our system rotates and caps ads so that users don't see the same ad too frequently. It also improves targeting by adding context. To demonstrate that, let's say that I go to the entertainment site on the portal. The system displays an ad not only based on the context I'm in, that is the entertainment site, but also based on my profile. In this case, it knows I purchased the Pirates of the Caribbean movie, so it displays an ad for the soundtrack. You can also enhance targeting by adding location and even other customer intelligence you have in your back office. That concludes our demo. What we want you to come away with here is an understanding of what we offer and how we personalize the entire digital services experience, end to end.